Okay, we're in Zhongshan. We're gonna be going down this alley right here. So there's a street right there called Chifeng Street. This is lane 49, so we're gonna take it down. I'm just kind of sitting here hanging out, looking down the street, and I'm gonna target all of that in a moment when I come back. And then and we're gonna just keep walking down here, seeing what we can see. Zhongshan, pretty cool part of Taipei. Checking out Taipei 2023. Okay, so here's Taipei. We're in Zhongshan. Just kind of give you a little bit of a reference where we are. So we're kind of along this park. The Zhongshan station is directly that way. There's also a pretty big bookstore right down that way as well. And that's going to be our target street. And we also have more of the park. It just keeps going down for quite a ways. And we got a ton of cool looking businesses everywhere, including this one. You got some yellow bus seats sitting out there right there as well. So we're gonna go down this alley and just see what it all looks like. So let's go check it all out. Yeah, it's kind of cool. The style of these streets. There's all these. There's like, I kind of was walking down. If you saw my other video, I was in the same area. Just went down different streets though, and there's kind of like a little bit of a labyrinth. That's kind of cool too. They got all these chairs like that. And yes, we got like little balconies up there as well. Let's go check it all out. Oh, they got a few balconies. They got this one right here, that one, and then there's alpha dogs up there too, and a lot of vehicles as well. Let's just kind of check out those out.
Sorry.
Hello.
Sorry, I want to ask. I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
I want to eat.
You want to eat?
Because no job.
No job, so you're hungry. So what do you want to eat?
Like 7-Eleven.
Okay. Oh, let's go to 7-Eleven.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Do you know where there's a 7-Eleven near here?
Go to Minsheng.
Okay, let's see if we can find one. Okay. 7-Eleven, eh? There is one. Huh. Well, I guess we'll I don't know why she's looking for me here. I was gonna let her, I was gonna feed her, but I don't know. I don't want to walk around. Shoot, why did you? It's confusing. That's a confusing one. I would buy her something at 7-Eleven. I don't really have a problem with it, but it's kind of strange because usually you would do that near 7-Eleven. Anyways, we're gonna keep continuing. If she comes back, I'll help her out. Or if I see her again. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, she just kind of wandered away. So I don't know what the whole issues are there. It's kind of strange on a lot of different levels for someone to come up to someone who's filming with a camera who's a foreigner and practice their English looking for food. It's like a lot of funny things about it. I should probably go try to help her, but I am filming and I don't know where 7-Eleven is at. We're kind of in this like boutique, all this kind of trendy cool stuff everywhere, so it's a little bit of a funny spot to be looking for 7-Elevens. There's 7-Elevens all over the city, but not here. Well, if we see her, I'll help her out again. It's kind of cool. Let me see if I don't see her at all. Kind of cool. Kind of go in any direction here. Actually, that was the direction I'm intending to go into, but now that I look at these different directions, I'm not so sure. Could actually go all the way down that way as well. I think there's a park that was down there as well. Maybe we will go down there, and that direction equally looks interesting. I think we're gonna go down this way. My thinking is that if I run into that lady again and I'm closer to a 7-Eleven, I'll definitely buy her something. I almost gave her some money, but it was kind of confusing. These alleys are kind of cool. So you can see all these all the way down in those alleys as well. And there's also these like little stuff like that too. Hello. That was cool. There's more of these little alleys all the way down. It's kind of cool. Okay. Now I kind of want to run into that lady again because I do want to get her something at 7-Eleven. It's very little ask. It's like got more cool stuff this direction. I think this car is gonna park here. Okay, let me just see. This corner is kind of a tough corner. Anyways, we're trying to get across this street, but I don't know if we can with all the cars turning and doing different things. So it could go that way, could go that way. There's a mirror right there for those ones that are turning. It's a coffee shop up there. Mechanics. It's kind of a mixed use. They got all kinds of stuff. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going up this way. I think I'll see if I can run into that lady again that's hungry. Actually, if she would have stayed with me, I would have tried to find a 7-Eleven with her, but it was a little bit strange. Like, why did she choose the person that she had to speak English to and look for a 7-Eleven? Anyways, these are the questions I'm curious about. I'm going to see more of these alleys. A park. That cool street. I think I'm going to see that person again. But anyways, kind of in this little park here. That's kind of a cool looking tree. So, okay. And we're going to end it right there. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking on the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.